Hello everyone, welcome back to Unique Designers and Architects, and I am Anika Mukherjee. First of all, let me thank you for all the lovely likes, subscribes and comments. It means a lot to us. Today we are here at the Nayar's house 1402 at Golden Willows Mulund.
We got to know Anita, Unique Designers, through a very close friend of ours. She had done a wonderful job with their house. Then simultaneously another friend was also doing it with Anita, and that's when we decided that we would like to go with Unique Designers. They gave us a lot of options and very proactively involved us also, because we wanted to get involved in the entire process. It was a wonderful journey, and we're really happy we worked with her.
Yeah. And incidentally, what happened was we started the work just 10 days before the COVID lockdown. And 10 days of work, and after that, the whole work had to be stopped for 3 months. We had a very tough time. We got some approvals from our society, and our workers, Anita's workers, started working in the project, quarantined inside the project, and we had a real challenging times of going to shops during the COVID times on alternate days. But the entire team, Anita and her team, were very supportive, and they were always there with us. And really, we had a very good time during the COVID times getting the work done and the challenges that we faced. But ultimately, the outcome was fantastic, and we have been very happy with the entire team and their company, and they have done a wonderful job. So you can see that.
Even while doing the process, we felt that even after the entire project was done, if there were any after sales requirements, the team was very proactive, and within 24 hours they would get back and manage anything we wanted to. So that was one very, very plus point, and we recommend Unique Designers to anyone who's looking at making their home.
you.